My name is Sabid Dreco. I do maintenance, everything, electrical, putting belts, putting rollers, changing the stars. TFC is a great company. It's family to me. Like, I'm from Bosnia. We had issue in 90s. We had major war. House was burned and nowhere else to live. We were living in somebody's apartments, looking for better life and money that you can support your family. That's main thing. When we come into the United States, we didn't know where we come and what's gonna life be look like. You just come and hope it's gonna be better. First day I walk in, I got on the Mike Benedetto. I didn't even know who that guy was. He took me, toured me around the building and showed me the plane. And when he said, you know who you're talking to, I was like, no. He's like, I'm the owner of this. I was shocked. He always comes and check on us, and every time he comes here, he comes talk to me, every time. I wish I could retire here. I got 25 more years to go, so that's a long way, but I hope I stay 50 years in TFC.